welcome back to Karenliz TV, and for today's video, I'm going to give you swatches of this new lip and cheek tints that I received, and these are the KY lip and cheek tints. Ayan siya guys, I have 9 shades, ba 9? Hindi ko lang ma-hold lahat, pero ayan, ang cute ng packaging, pink, and yun, roll-on type na packaging. So, same as usual na mga local tints. And ano siya? Water type. Water type tint siya. So, if you want to see my swatches, then keep on watching. Swatches. Hope you enjoyed this video. Sana nagustuhan niyo yung mga shades. And ilalagay ko na sa description box yung link ng Facebook page ng KY Lip and Cheek Tints. Thank you, Malos, for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And keep in mind, more positivity, less negativity, or no negativity at all. So, bye!